There's no denying that 5G is the future, and although it isn't ubiquitous in Malaysia just yet, we have seen several 5G smartphones make their debut already. Today though, we're checking out a more unique 5G smartphone because it's the world's slimmest and lightest 5G smartphone. This is the Vivo X50.
Three, two, one, action.
The Vivo X50 is Vivo's latest smartphone, and it is designed to be a mid-range smartphone with 5G capabilities. Inside, this handset is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 765G processor, and it will come with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. You will also get a 4200 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging via a USB-C port. For photography, you're getting a quad camera system at the back with a 48MP main shooter with an f1.8 aperture lens. This camera also comes with optical image stabilization. There's also a 13MP portrait camera with 2x optical zooming, as well as an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 5MP macro camera. This camera system comes with several professional photography functions, including motion snapshot, supermoon, and also movie camera. With movie camera, for example, you can set the smartphone up in a fixed location and it will automatically track your subject as it moves through the frame. Up front, there is a 6.56-inch AMOLED display that pushes a Full HD Plus resolution of 2376 by 1080 pixels. What makes it special, however, is the fact that this panel has a 90Hz refresh rate, so you're guaranteed a smooth and responsive swiping experience. In the top left corner of the screen, there is a tiny punch hole that houses the 32MP selfie shooter that you can use for taking selfies as well as face unlock. What makes the Vivo X50 special, however, is its body. Measuring just 7.49mm thick, this is the slimmest 5G smartphone in the market right now. Interestingly, Vivo's gone for a flat design for both the top and bottom of the smartphone, which is a nice contrast from the comfortable rounded edges on the left and right. This also gives the X50 the ability to stand by itself, which is a neat party trick. On top of that, you can get it in this frost blue colorway that Vivo says is designed to convey youthful elegance. But while the phone is good enough as a standalone product, you can kick things up a notch by pairing it with Vivo's brand new TWS Neo headphones. The Vivo TWS Neo headphones were designed to sound good. They feature large 14.2mm sound drivers as well as support for Qualcomm's aptX audio processing technology. They come with 3 stereo sound effects plus a low latency mode of just 88 milliseconds so that you can get reliable audio even when you're gaming. On top of that, the TWS Neo also comes with a variety of useful media control functions. You can slide on the headphones to control music playback, and the TWS Neo is also smart enough to pause your music when you take the headphones off. What's more, these earbuds also come with IP54 water resistance, so you should be fine even if you get caught in the rain or work up a sweat. Each charge will see the TWS Neo last up to 5.5 hours with continuous music playback. Pair that with the case and you'll get a total listening time of up to 27 hours, so your day is pretty much covered. If you're interested in picking up the brand new Vivo TWS headphones, they can be yours for 359 ringgit. For more information on the Vivo TWS Neo headphones and the Vivo X50 smartphone, as well as, if you want to just pick them up for yourselves, you can head over to the Vivo official online store, and the link for that will be in the video description. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as hit on the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a brand new video. Until next time, bye.